Hi everybody, I'm so excited that you are considering starting a meditation practice. It is one of those things that I find if I get up and allow myself to sit every day for at least 3 minutes, it really allows me to just have a better day. Better day meaning I'm just more aware of how I am. So with that said, all the different meditations, there's descriptions for why would I want to do Sat Kriya, or why would I want to do the new beginning Kirtan Kriya, or Kirtan meditation. So read the different descriptions. The biggest tip that I can give you is do one consecutively for 40 days. So in other words, don't hop from one to another one. Allow yourself to pick one and do it for 40 days straight. And if you can, the same time every day. What you want to do is, for me to start this rodeo of like, I'm gonna devote in meditation every day, I had to reward myself. That's just who I am. So what I did every morning, I have a routine. Dogs wake up, let them out, feed the dogs, the cats, wake up the kids, get my coffee started, right? And then I sat here, literally. This is my meditation seat every morning. I cannot have my coffee until my meditation has been completed. The other thing when it comes to meditation, wait for it, allow yourself to journal. So this is my journal. I'm actually about 3 pages out from finishing this journal. I've got another one waiting for me to start writing in it. So you do your meditation for 3 minutes. All the meditations are 3 minutes long. They have a little bit of verbiage before and after. You can allow yourself to do more than 3 minutes. And if you are, I would highly recommend going from 3 minutes to 11 minutes and stay at 11 minutes. But if you can only commit to 3, don't worry about it. 3 is amazing. But in 40 days, what you're doing is actually telling yourself, I want to move into this, which might be, I want to allow myself to create new beginnings, new pathways. So that's what we have to do. We need to allow ourselves to sit on a daily basis, allow ourselves to move in the meditation, and then after the meditation, open your journal and write what insight might have come up for you. Maybe on a good day, you're like, oh, it flowed awesome. I'm feeling light. The next day, I struggled. This is the hardest thing ever. And it could be one sentence, it could be a whole page. If I fly through here, there are some days that I wrote for 3 pages, and then there's other days where I wrote 1 word. There's no wrong way to do it, but what I would love for you to do is show up for your meditation, do it every day for 40 days, same meditation, and then allow yourself to just jot something down. From that, it's up to you. I can only inspire you. The motivation comes from within. I wish you the best on your meditation journey. Namaste.